Hey, what's going on YouTube? Here you go. Here's that 1967 Pontiac GTO by MPC. This will be my December 23 build. If you haven't seen the other videos on this car, go back, check them out. It shows you kind of insight of, the way I started, some of the taping and the painting process. It's not necessarily a how-to, just kind of showing you some of the steps I took. This one is a curbside, so there's no engine, not too much on the undercarriage. I was mainly focused on the paint job and learning new techniques and kind of get to know the airbrush a little bit more. But alright, let's get to it real quick. First off, we took off all the emblems. We also took off, there's a strip that goes across the body. I took that off also, kind of give it more of a smooth look to it. The wheels, we went with Hoppin' Hydros. The tires are also from them. The paint, like I said, it's a urethane. We did shoot an automotive clear. Has a 3-stage polish. And we did a lot of pattern work on the top. But alright, as you can see right here, this is the passenger side. Here's the top view. And this pattern work here, this pattern here, the stages and all the taping, it took me about a good week and a half, 2 weeks for this whole paint job. And as you can see right here on the bottom, it's lighter at the bottom and it fades into the darker blue. And you got that going on too on the edges of the car. Right here and then the back. And some of the fin right here. As you can see, it's very flat, very smooth. Let me show you the driver's side. There's the driver's side right here. And the undercarriage, like I said, it's a curb size, so nothing there. You can tell the engine is gone. I did glue the hood, that way it doesn't fall off, when I flip it over. But alright, there you go guys, 1967 Pontiac GTO by MPC. I hope you guys enjoy the series I was doing about this car. I'm going to try to keep it, try to do that for every build going forward. Like I said, I'm going to be putting out a build for you each month for this channel. But yeah, that's it. This thing's going to go in a case, put it on the shelf. It's going to be some eye candy to enjoy. One day I'll get some footage on, outside, show you how it looks in the sun. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you guys on the next one, alright? I'm out.